Welcome back to WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the bulk import and export feature in WordPress Download Manager Pro. Before getting started, make sure WordPress Download Manager Pro is installed and activated on your website. To access the bulk import feature, go to Downloads and click on Import and Export. WordPress Download Manager allows you to import files in two different ways. Import files directly from your server, import packages using a CSV file. Part 1. Let's start with importing files from the server. From the Import and Export page, you will see a directory tree on the left side. Select the directory where your files are stored. For this example, I will import all files from the Crypty folder located inside the Download Manager Files directory. You can upload any folder containing files to your server and easily import them using this feature. Once the folder is selected, all files inside that directory will appear in the content area on the right. For each file, you can configure several package settings before importing: package title, description, password protection, categories, access permissions. You can also choose to import only specific files. For example, I will select only the first two files. Then I will provide appropriate titles, descriptions, assign categories, and set user roles to control access to these downloads. After everything is configured, click Import Selected Files. The selected files will now be imported as Download Manager packages. To verify the import, go to Downloads and click on All Downloads. As you can see, the packages have been successfully created with all the information we provided during the import process. Part 2. Now let's look at the CSV import option. Before importing, make sure your CSV file is saved in UTF-8 format and contains the correct header names. You can download the sample CSV file from the documentation page. Let's download it and update the CSV file and save it. You have to maintain the same structure when creating or updating your own CSV file. Once your CSV file is ready, return to the Import and Export page. Click Select CSV File and choose your CSV file from your computer. The upload and import process will begin immediately, and you will see a progress bar indicating the import status. After the process is completed successfully, navigate to Downloads, then click on All Downloads. Here you can see the packages imported from the CSV file. Part 3. You can export the packages from the Import and Export page. First, you have to select the export file format. Then click on the Create Export File from the Export Packages section. If your website contains a large number of download packages, the export process will run in batches to ensure smooth performance. During the export process, you'll see a progress bar indicating the current status with total package count. Once all batches have been processed, click on the Download button. And that's how you can use the bulk import and export feature in WordPress Download Manager Pro. Thanks for watching.